beef is sauteed with ground garlic, pepper and chili, and Thai basil is added to the stir fry for that unique Thai basil beef flavor. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making another Thai recipe. I love Thai food. Today we're going to be making a Thai basil beef. This is also called a Pad Kaprow. This delicious recipe comes from Thailand. It's made with red spicy chilies and Thai basil. It's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. All great recipes start with a great spice blend. I'm going to use my mortar and pestle to pound a few ingredients. 1 teaspoon of white peppercorns, and I'm going to follow this with 12 cloves of garlic. I'm also going to use 1 large red chili. Now this is not a very spicy chili and it's going to give me color without the extra heat. And for heat, I have 5 Thai chilies. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Slicing these will help you break this down faster. I'm not looking for a smooth puree, but I'm going to just ensure that I break down and smash all of the garlic and every piece of chili so you're not left with large chunks. Heat up some oil and add all of the ground garlic, pepper and chili and just saute this in the oil. I'm doing this in a well-ventilated area as the chili will make you cough as it hits the oil. I'm going to add the beef. This is 1 pound, that's roughly about 500 grams of beef, and I just cut this in small pieces. Let this cook with the ground garlic, pepper and chili for a few minutes. As the beef cooks, it's going to release some water. I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Add a half tablespoon of fish sauce. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Mix this in really well and let everything simmer for a minute. Finally, I'm going to add 1 cup of Thai basil and I'm going to mix this in. Typically, holy basil is used in this recipe, but Thai basil will work as well. If you can't find Thai basil, you can just use regular basil. I like to cook up a fried egg, and when it's done, top it over the Thai basil, served with some jasmine rice. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Thai basil beef. I've made a similar recipe with chicken as well as with shrimp. If you love this recipe, do make sure you're subscribed and you share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy these amazing recipes as well. Also, don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.